Welcome students, myself Kadam Kes from SGM College Karan. In previous lecture we have studied Cartesian and polar coordinates and its examples. In today's lecture, let us see solving a triangle. Three sides and three angles of a triangle are called elements of a triangle. Here, capital A, B and C are angles of a triangle and small a, B and C are sides of a triangles. If at least three elements out of these six elements of a triangle, that is at least one of which is a side of a triangle, are known, we can find the remaining elements. Note, to solve a triangle means to find unknown elements of the triangle. Using three angles of a triangle, we can't solve it. At least one side should be known. Notation: in triangle ABC, we use the following notations. Length BC equal to small a, length CA equal to small b, and length AB equal to small c. This notation is called as the usual notation. Some standard relation between elements of a triangle: the sine rule, the cosine rule, the projection rule. First, the sine rule. In triangle ABC, prove that A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to 2R, where R is the circumradius of triangle ABC. Here, ABC are the triangle. Angles of this triangle is angle A, angle B and angle C. Capital ABC are the angles of triangle and small a, b, c are sides of a triangle. Here, length BC equal to small a, length CA equal to small b, length AB equal to small c. Let AD be perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, AD equal to B sin C. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Here base is length BC and height is length AD, and therefore 1 upon 2 length BC is small a and AD equal to B sin C. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 upon 2 AB sin C. And therefore, 2 into area of triangle ABC equal to AB sin C. Similarly, 2 into area of triangle ABC equal to AC sin B, and 2 into area of triangle ABC equal to BC sin A. And therefore, AB sin C equal to AC sin B equal to BC sin A. Dividing throughout by ABC. Therefore, BC sin A upon ABC equal to AC sin B upon ABC equal to AB sin C upon ABC. Here BC get cancelled and therefore sin A upon A equal to sin B upon B equal to sin C upon C. And therefore A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C. To prove that each ratio is equal to 2R. As the sum of three angles is 180 degree, at least one of the angle of the triangle is not right angle. Suppose A is not right angle. Draw diameter through A. Let it meet circle in point P. AP equal to 2R and triangle ACP is a right angle triangle. Angle ABC and angle APC are inscribed in the same arc. Therefore, measure of angle ABC equal to measure of angle APC. And therefore, sin B equal to sin P equal to B upon AP. Here AP equal to 2R. Therefore, B upon 2R. And therefore, sin B equal to B upon 2R. And therefore, B upon sin B equal to 2R. From 1 and 2, we get A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C equal to 2R. Next point, different forms of sine rule. In a triangle ABC, A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C equal to 2 into R. Therefore, A equal to 2R into sin A, B equal to 2R into sin B, C equal to 2R into sin C, and sin A upon small a equal to sin B upon B equal to sin C upon C equal to K. Here B into sin A equal to A into sin B, C into sin B equal to B into sin C, C into sin A equal to A into sin C. Next, A upon B equal to sin A upon sin B, B upon C equal to sin B upon sin C. Now, let us see examples related to sine rule. First example, in triangle ABC, if angle A is 45 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. Given angle A equal to 45 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree, we know that in a triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 45 degree plus 60 degree plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. And therefore, 105 degree plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. And therefore, measure of angle C equal to 75 degree. By sine rule, A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C equal to K. A equal to K sin A, B equal to K sin B, C equal to K sin C. Therefore, A upon B equal to sin A upon sin B and B upon C equal to sin B upon sin C. Therefore, A as to B as to C equal to sin A as to sin B as to sin C. Sin A is sin 45 degree. Measure of angle B is 60 degree. Therefore, sin 60 degree as to sin 75 degree. We know that sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 and sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. And sin 75 degree. 75 degree means 30 degree plus 45 degree. And we know that sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Using this formula, sin 30 degree plus 45 degree equal to sin 30 degree into cos 45 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 45 degree equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Therefore, the required ratio of the sides of a triangle ABC is A as to B as to C equal to 1 upon root 2 as to root 3 upon 2 as to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. That is, A as to B as to C equal to 2 as to root 6 as to root 3 plus 1. Next example, in a triangle ABC, prove that sin B minus C upon 2 equal to B minus C upon A into cos A upon 2. By using sine rule, A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C equal to K, and therefore A equal to K sin A, B equal to K sin B, C equal to K sin C. RHS of this equation is b minus c upon a into cos a upon 2. Here put b equal to k sin b, c equal to k sin c, a equal to k sin a into cos a upon 2 as it is. K gets cancelled, sin b minus sin c upon sin a into cos a upon 2. We know that sin b minus sin c equal to 2 cos b plus c upon 2 into sin b minus c upon 2. And sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, and therefore sin a equal to 2 sin a upon 2 cos a upon 2 and cos a upon 2 as it is. Therefore, cos b plus c upon 2 into sin b minus c upon 2 divided by sin a upon 2. We know that a plus b plus c, angle a plus angle b plus angle c equal to pi, and therefore b plus c equal to pi minus a, and b plus c upon 2, b plus c upon 2 equal to pi upon 2 minus a upon 2 into sin b minus c upon 2 into sin a upon 2. By using allied angle, cos of pi upon 2 minus a by 2 equal to sin a by 2, sin a by 2 into sin b minus c upon 2 divided by sin a upon 2. Sin a upon 2 get cancelled, equal to sin b minus c upon 2 equal to RHS. Next example, with the usual notations, prove that 2 into a sin square c upon 2 plus c sin square a upon 2 equal to a minus b plus c. By using sin rule, a upon sin a equal to b upon sin b equal to c upon sin c equal to k, a equal to k sin a, b equal to k sin b, c equal to k sin c. LHS of this is 2 into a sin square c upon 2 plus c sin square a upon 2. Put a equal to k sin a and c equal to k sin b. And we know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and therefore sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and sin square theta upon 2 is 1 minus cos theta upon 2. Using this formula, 2 into k sin a upon 2 sin square c upon 2 equal to 1 minus cos c upon 2 plus k sin c into sin square a upon 2 is 1 minus cos a upon 2. K into bracket sin a into 1 minus cos c plus sin c into bracket 1 minus cos a. Sin a into 1 sin a minus sin a cos c plus sin c minus sin c cos a. K into sin a plus sin c as it is minus into bracket sin a cos c plus cos a sin c equal to k into sin a plus sin c minus. We know that sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Using this formula, sin a cos c plus cos a sin c equal to sin a plus b. But we know that a plus b plus c equal to pi, and therefore a plus c equal to pi minus b, and therefore a plus c, put a plus c equal to pi minus b. K into sin a plus sin b, and by using allied angle, sin of pi minus b is sin b. K into sin a minus k into sin b plus k into sin c. We know that k into sin a equal to a, k into sin b equal to b, k into sin c equal to c, and this is equal to a minus b plus c equal to RHS. Next point, the cosine rule. In a triangle ABC, prove that a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Second, b square equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, and c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos C. Take A as the origin, x-axis along AB, and the line perpendicular to AB through passing through the point A as the y-axis. The coordinates of A, B, and C are 0, 0, C 0, and B cos A, comma B sin A respectively. To prove that A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. LHS is A square. A square. A is a length BC equal to A. Therefore, A square equal to BC square. Coordinates of point B is C0 and coordinates of point C is B cos A, comma B sin A. Using distance formula, A square equal to BC square equal to C minus B cos A bracket square plus 0 into 0 minus B sin A bracket square by using distance formula. C minus B cos A bracket square is C square plus B square cos square A minus 2BC cos A minus minus plus B square sin square A. C square plus B square cos square A plus B square sin square A minus 2BC cos A. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Therefore, C square plus B square minus 2BC cos A and is equal to RHS. Similarly, we can prove that B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B and C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Next remark, in cosine rule, we can state that in triangle ABC, cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, cos B equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA, and cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Now let us see an examples related to cosine rule in triangle ABC. If A cos A equal to B cos B, then prove that the triangle is right angled or an isosceles triangle. Given A cos A equal to B cos B. By using cosine rule, cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC and cos B equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. Therefore, A square into bracket B square plus C square minus A square equal to B square into bracket C square plus A square minus B square. A square B square plus A square C square minus A square into A square is minus A raised to 4 equal to B square C square plus A square B square minus B raised to 4. Therefore, A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4 equal to A square C square minus B square C square. A raised to 4 expansion of A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4 is A square plus B square into A square minus B square equal to A square minus B square into C square. Therefore, A square plus B square equal to C square or A square minus B square equal to 0. From 1 and 2, A square plus B square is equal to C square and or A square equal to B square. Therefore, A equal to B, and from 1 and 2 we get triangle ABC is right angle or an isosceles triangle. Next example, with usual notations prove that 2 into BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C equal to A square plus B square plus C square. LHS is 2 into BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C. By using cosine rule, cos A equal to B square plus C square minus AC A square upon 2BC, cos b equal to c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca, and cos c equal to a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. Therefore, b square plus c square minus a square plus c square plus a square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. A square cancel, b square cancel, and c square cancel. Therefore, equal to a square plus b square plus c square is RHS. Next point, the projection rule. In triangle ABC, prove that A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Second, B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. And third, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. To prove that A equal to B cos C plus C cos A. In triangle ABC, capital ABC are angles of a triangle and small ABC are sides of a triangle. Let altitude draw from A meet BC in D. BD is called the projection of AB on BC, and DC is called the projection of AC on BC. Here ABC is triangle, AD is the altitude. Case first, B and C are acute angles. Projection of AB on BC equal to BD and BD equal to C cos B, and projection of AC on BC is equal to DC and DC equal to B cos C. From figure, we have A equal to BC equal to BD plus DC. BD is C cos B and DC is B cos C. Therefore, B cos C equal to, B cos C plus C cos B. Therefore, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Case second, B is obtuse angle. Projection of AB on BC equal to BD. Therefore, BD equal to C cos of pi minus B equal to minus C cos B. And projection of AC on BC equal to DC equal to B cos C. From figure, we have A equal to BC equal to DC minus BD. Therefore, B cos C minus BD is minus C cos B. Minus minus get plus B cos C plus C cos B, and therefore A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Next case third, B is right angle. In this case, D coincides with B. RHS equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B cos C is BC plus 0 and BC is A equal to LHS. Therefore, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove the cases where C is obtuse angle and C is right angle. Therefore, in all possible cases, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove other statements. Hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you.